One of my clients told me something that still shocks people when I say it out loud. The last time he imported from China, he paid for 1,500 kilograms of products. What arrived was 157 kilograms. That mistake cost him almost $6,200. No refund, no explanation, and no real supplier to chase. When I helped him investigate the company, we discovered the truth. The company did not even exist in China. So today, let me walk you through the most common China import scams and how you can avoid them. First is the fake company scam. Some scammers create professional-looking websites. They use fake business licenses, fake addresses, and even fake LinkedIn profiles. On the surface, everything looks legitimate. But when you check official Chinese business records, the company is not registered at all. If a supplier cannot be verified in China's official database, walk away. Second is the product quality mismatch scam. This one is very common. You receive a perfect sample. The materials look great. The workmanship is clean. Everything feels premium. Then the bulk order arrives. The materials are cheaper. The finishing is poor. And suddenly, the product you approved no longer exists. Without quality inspections during production, this happens more often than people realize. Third is the advance payment scam. A legitimate factory usually asks for 30% deposit, sometimes 50% for custom products. If a supplier demands full payment upfront or pressures you to send money urgently, that is a major red flag. Some scammers disappear the moment the payment clears. Fourth is the contract trap. Many buyers sign contracts without fully understanding them. Hidden clauses can include unfair penalties, vague product descriptions, or unreasonable delivery terms. Once signed, those clauses are legally binding. Always review contracts carefully and never rush the process. Here is the hard truth. Most China sourcing scams happen not because buyers are careless, but because they do not have local verification and on-ground checks. That is exactly where a sourcing agent comes in. At SourcingXpro, we verify factories, inspect production, control quality, and manage shipping end to end. So what you pay for is what actually arrives. Stay sharp, stay cautious, and do not trust what you cannot verify. Follow me for more real sourcing tips.